When we proposed ACEAS, going to the Denman Glacier was one of the core things that we wanted to do because we knew that it has massive sea level potential, 1.5 metres of global sea level if it was to melt entirely. And I think it's worth pausing and thinking, what is 1.5 metres of global sea level rise? So if you stood at the edge of the ocean and looked out over the Pacific Ocean or the Indian Ocean and thought, what would it take to raise this ocean by 1.5 metres? Well, that's the Denman Glacier, just on its own, if it were to all melt. Now, that's not going to melt in in the next centuries. It's going to take a lot longer. The air is so cold that you would need to warm the atmosphere by 5 degrees, 6 degrees or something to have a large-scale surface melting. But the ocean, you only need to turn the knob by a fraction of a degree to actually melt the ice faster and to cause it to flow faster and to drive up sea level and to have more fresh water in the ocean, which disrupts the circulation of the ocean, which changes ecosystems. And so we wanted to understand the Denman Glacier, but we know very little about that glacier. And so the potential of it, combined with a lack of knowledge about it, led us to go, actually, we need to understand this, and we need to understand it from on the ice and around the ice, but also from the ocean side, because it's the ocean that's the enemy of Antarctica.